My name is Mark. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah, and I've been in real estate for a little while now, and trying to figure out how I can up my game a little bit with clients and pictures and 360s and all that. And I just didn't really know how to go about it and how to market that out. And then I realized as I learned how to do it for my clients, I learned there's a whole other business opportunities available to make money doing this. And because it's like I'm a kid again, flying RC cars and planes and stuff. So I'm just excited about all the marketing I'm learning and how to turn it into an actual business to make money more than a hobby. I'm excited to get more help and figuring out how I can grow it and just kind of dominate my market. So there's not a lot of available in my market right now for drones. I mean, there's some, but no one's really out there standing out. So I'm excited to learn how to be that person. So yeah.